reach the maximum number of the CMS we can use. We can only use 200 items for this CMS collection. So to reduce the numbers, we are merging products in one of the names. So like this Nomi 2, all the Nomi 2 midi maxi, then their pants and the what's it called, yeah, the pants, we're merging them inside Nomi 2. Then Nomi 1 now, we'll put all the midi maxi in Nomi 1 and their pants as well. So for this, for example, let's use Nomi 2. After adding all the details, you put in all the pictures that belongs to Nomi 2, including the pants. You upload all the pictures, then you come here, add all the colors, the available colors. So then the sizes as well, 5 sizes, then the available colors. Then inside the style options, you add mini, maxi, and then the pants, and group it as by style options. Let's collapse this. So in the mini, we're going to use let's use this image for all the mini. So all the mini now carries this image. So you now have to go back inside one by one and select the colors. So for the black one, let's use this. This is black M as well, so let's use black. All the black ones, assign the color of the outfit. So yeah, that's all the black ones. We've assigned the color of the outfit there. Then for the white one, you don't have the white outfits yet in the pictures, so we're going to leave all the rest of them like this. This is the red one, and originally is the red one we used from the beginning, so it's still there. And then you come to the maxi. Let's expand it. I've already used this as the maxi. That is the big skirt. This one is the maxi. So, and it's on all of them. We have maxi white. This is white. We don't have maxi black, we don't have maxi red outfit. So actually we can just add another color. Let's add let's add pink. Let's add this pink. So there is no mini in pink, so we're gonna leave it blank like that. No, actually let's just put the red one. Let's put the red one still. If you leave it blank, if it doesn't have any image, it will not have image on the website. So if you don't have the image, it's best to just put any other image that still works. So since this is mini pink, we are still using the red one till we have the photos of the pink one. Let's just mix it up. Yeah. The maxi, we're using this. Then come to the pink. We can use this for the pink. There is no proper image of this one, so then for the oh, one more. Then for the pants, let's use this one for the pants. So all the 20 variants has this one for now. Then the white one will have a white pants. So let's assign this for the white. So yeah, we don't have the red one and the pink one for pants. So we're going to leave the black image for now. And we're done. Just save it. And to delete all the other variants. So yeah, in this style option, let's just leave it empty instead of putting maxi slash. So let's leave it empty.